Hello everyone, my name is Rosel Pereiras from BetALX1B.
This is the example of population growth. Ang gagamitin nating formula ay ang A equal PERT. Kaya gagamit tayo ng scientific calculator to compute the variable in the details of formulated. So, let's have example number 1. So, given meron tayong 680,000. P is equal to 680,000. And yung R natin is 12% per year. And then, yung time is 8 years. So, ang nawawala is A. So, gagamitin natin ang formula A equal PERT. And, isa-substitute lang lahat ng given dito sa formula natin. From 680,000 times E raised to 0.12 times 8. So, using our calculator in code nyo lang ang 680,000 times E. Then, pag kukunin natin ang 12% is 12 divided by 100. So, is 0.12. So, ilagay natin ang value ng R is 0.12 times 8. So, ibibigay na ng calculator ang sagot. So, ilagay na natin ang sagot. 1,775,953.602. Pwede naman 60 lang. That's all. Thank you.